Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the massive lithium chloride with matching chloride ions is actually super fast. We will solve this chemistry problem in just 3 quick steps. First, we calculate the moles of rubidium chloride by dividing the given mass of 242 grams by its molar mass of 121 grams per mole. That is 2. Since each formula unit of rubidium chloride and lithium chloride contains exactly 1 chloride ion, the moles of lithium chloride needed must also be 2. This keeps the ion count equal. Multiply 2 moles by the lithium chloride molar mass of 42.4. This calculation gives 84.8 grams, which is option B. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to watch signs. Trust given values and check your steps.